para sa akin, kasi nahiya ako dun sa sinulat ko. Sabi ko, sana maganda ka pa rin after 50 years. Para kay daddy naman, sana okay pa rin ang health mo at kumikita pa rin ng maayos. Si Ate Cheska, alam ko successful ka na. As expected. Don't forget, tumutulong tayo sa tao na nangangailangan. Pero huwag magpapaabuso kahit sa anong paraan. Ayun. Kay fourth, you are expected to be man enough. Be proud of your achievements. Huwag man lalamang. Kay fifth, how is your speaking and hearing? What are the challenges you are facing? Be strong. Mommy is always watching all of you. I love you, Kadis family. Laging gumawa ng mabuti. With a smile, ma'am.
Na magandang pagkakataon or i-maximize yung blessings mo na wag na kayo maghintay, kilusan niya na agad.
After you decide and build, the Lord is our foundation.